Now it's time for round number 4. Okay. Blue glitter. I'll do some of this kind.
You're not gonna have any slime, you're just gonna have glitter.
I have glue.
Oh yeah, you just have a little bit.
Well, I need some glue if I get glue. Okay, I guess that's enough. Okay, now it's time for Oakley's turn. Let me get into
Then in my turn.
Wow.
Okay.
Spin the wheel.
What did you get? I got blue Orbeez. Ooh. That's,
I want to see.
Orbeez are so satisfying.
so,
Woohoo! They're kind of fun.
that's enough. I think that's enough, yeah. I don't really want too much.
Yeah, cause
Livy's turn.
yeah, my turn.
Guys, I really need shake. So pray for me that I'll get shake. Here,
Spin.
how about Oakley cooks it for you?
It's okay, glitter won't hurt.
She has food dye on her fingers too.
Okay.
I'll just push it. Okay, now show the camera. No, you can't touch it. She has messy hands.
No,
So what did
I
Libby
can
get?
hold and wash. I can see it.
Purple and blue glitter again. Okay.
I want to pull it.
Okay, you can.
Let me.
I'm opening it.
No.
For the day. Livy needs some glue. Because she does.
Poor Livy.
Yeah, poor Livy. Do you want me to add this in? Or do you want to?
We can just see what a bunch of glitter looks like.
And food dye.
That's good, I think.
Here, hold on. Here, let me get a little bit more.
Then purple glitter.
Good. Okay. Okay, that's more than enough.
Wow, that one comes out fast.
Alright. Now it's moving on to round number 5.
Yep, number 5. Mom, can I just can't I just toy and wash my hands?
Yeah. Libby has washed her hands.
Okay, now it's time to spin. Guys, I really need shaving cream. So let's put our hopes up and pray that we will get shaving.
Oh my gosh! Shaving cream!
Yes! Now she's got fluffy slime.
Gotta shake it. Gotta shake it to make it super fluffy. Whoa.
Oh, don't bend. You can't turn it upside down. There you go.
Okay, I think that's enough.
Whoa, that's a
A
lot.
little bit more. Guys, my hopes are up and I have shaving cream. It's so amazing.
I'm gonna spin. If I get shaving cream, then I have to pull it, but I have to shake it.
Did you get shaving cream?
Shaving cream!
And remember, you have to take the cap off. Oh. There you go.
Oh, fluffer spine. You have to hold it up. And it, yeah, you can't. There you go.
I think
That's enough.
shaving cream feels so good.
2 girls got shaving cream.
And I will.
Livy's turn to spin.
I wish I could eat this, but I can't. That sucks.
Red food color.
Livy, your slime's gonna be.
Girl, are you ever gonna get any glue?
Everyone, pray
I
for
bet
Livy.
next time you will, huh?
Everyone pray for Livy that she'll get some glue so she can actually have a slime.
She only has like food coloring and glitter. That's
There
all
you
she
go, Liv.
knows.
That's enough.
That's
Perfect.
enough. Moving on to round number
They look like googly eyes.
Livy says she's
Hopefully
got.
I get more glue or shaving cream. It doesn't really matter which one I get. Okay. Gold glitter glue! My dudes. We're getting... No, I got it.
It's 'cause you just touched it.
Alright, let's pour this in. Oh, whoa.
Now avocado slime is gonna be the fluffiest and ugliest.
It looks like poo.
Oakley's turn.
It looks like unicorn poo.
Oh, let's see.
Me spin and then it's my turn.
Looks like runny poo.
Ew.
I know, it's gross.
Oakley spin.
This is fun.
It is.
Take a look.
Red food color.
Not bad. Not bad. Like, not bad.
My turn after.
You gotta wait. That's enough. That's enough.
All right, Livy's turn.
Go ahead.
Glow in the dark pink glue.
Yay!
Yay!
Okay, you gotta pour a lot in there, sister. You need some glue going on. Squeeze. There it goes. Squeeze more.
You can take most of that.
Stop! Don't help me.
You need it. Girl, here, I'll tap it while you push.
All right, that should be good.
Okay, now it's round number 7.
7.
Okay, so let me get it. Okay, guys. I really want, I don't know, like maybe food coloring, maybe white glue. Activator. Ooh, okay.
Definitely need that to make slime.
I see. Let's just add that for now.
Oakley's turn.
Let's think that will work. I gotta see what this is.
Don't tell me. Oh, more blue Orbeez.
Yours is gonna be cool.
Look at all of it.
But all the Orbeez might fall out, so you're kind of out of luck. Bouncy. Ooh, they look cool with the shaving cream.
That's enough.
They look cool with the shaving cream. Oh,
Livy's turn. Livy finally has glue in there.
okay, Liv.
My turn.
No, Livy, I have to see it. The camera has to see it.
Blue food coloring. You have to wait till it goes da 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 and wait there for a sec, okay? Can't pull it away.
Blue food coloring. All right, you're gonna be blue and purple and all kinds of stuff.
You're
Red.
gonna have a purple slime, Liv. Or brown.
No.
I'm probably
Okay, round.
Did you pause it? Okay, so now it's time for round number 8. Okay, let's do this. Oh, I hope I get anything. Oh, the pink glitter.
Pink glitter.
All pink glitter.
So you have to use.
Okay.
I'm just gonna take.
Don't use all of it.
I'm gonna.
Don't use all of it.
Yeah, I'm not gonna use all that. Do one pack, cause oh, there's a test. I forgot. Okay, unpause it. Okay. Don't splatter everywhere, please. Okay. Keep adding. Oh, my hand touched the shaving cream. Alrighty, and I still need to add this one.
That looks good, but I can't eat it.
You go.
You're gonna have to spin again. So Rakai accidentally used all the glitter, so I have to spin again.
Spin again, respin.
We'll spun. Yellow food coloring. Ooh. Oh wait, what? I already have red. You're gonna have an orange slime then.
I'm gonna have glow in the dark slime actually, I think.
Yeah. That's enough.
All right, round.
My turn!
No, it's Livy's turn.
Livy's turn.
It's not round number 9 yet. Still got one more turn. Here, oh, let me turn.
Yeah, she has a password.
Oh, there you go.
Thank you.
Okay, I'll tell you when to pull it away, okay?
Yeah, I'll tell you. Pull it away.
Pull it away. White glue.
Yay!
Oh, that's my glue.
Oh, don't use it all.
I would say use all of it. We've got a lot of white
we
glue.
got 4 bottles. Wow.
Okay, you want some help?
Oh, look.
Squeeze it in.
Squeeze. Okay. Okay, that's good.
Good job, Liv.
Good job. That pretty good.
Okay.
Go.
Moving on to round number 9.
Oh,
6.
oh.
That's silly goose. Guys, please hope I get anything. Please pray. Green. What? Guys, I have to add green glue now? Okay.
Green food coloring.
That's good.
Okay. Guess it's
Life sucks.
It is my turn now. Then my turn. Hajda, salmoha. Hajda, salmoha. Hajda,
Glow in the dark pink glue. More? Oh, Glee, you have so much of that. You got that whole bottle. Just add the rest of it.
Okay.
And while she does that, Livy's gonna take her turn.
Yeah.
Okay. Press spin. Press spin. Press spin. Tell you when to pull back. Pull back. You got white and silver glitter, Livy. Ooh. Here, that's enough, Livy. Livy, that's enough.
You gotta use the other color.
There.
No, let me.
Jeez.
Looking good over there.
Not really.
Yours looks very satisfying, Oakley.
Here.
I know.
Let me help
Thank
you.
you. I can't see the white little.
Because you have white slime. Okay, that's good.
Rakai, Livy, Oakley.
All right.
Okay.
Moving on to round number 10.
Last round.
Make it
Pick was Kai. Oh, wait.
Guys, I really need anything. I need activator.
Me too.
I don't have any. Oh! Pink glue?
There's not pink left.
Why?
You could probably throw in white glue instead if you'd like, because there's no pink.
Yeah, there is no pink.
Was that it?
We don't have endless products here today.
So, can I just spin while she's
Go ahead.
doing that?
Mhm.
Okay. I'm just gonna spin. Hopefully I get activator, please, guys. Help I get shaving cream, please, guys, play.
Look at it.
Activator!
Yay! Woo!
I need shaving cream. If I need more, I'll add some more later. If I need more.
Livy spin.
Okay.
Last spin.
Last spin cream.
Can't we do one more round?
Oh, let's see the camera.
White and silver glitter.
She needs
You know,
activator.
let's do one more spin, Liv. Let's respin since that's what you got last time. It's no fun.
Oh,
We can change it around. Respin.
Yeah, she's gonna.
Hold it there longer so we can see what it is,
Here,
though.
I'll tell you when to pull it away, okay?
Green food.
Green fod coloring, huh?
No, I don't get mine. No, let's spit, like.
One more spin. All right.
Shaving cream.
Let's try for shaving cream.
Okay.
If she doesn't get activator, we'll mix it and then we'll add activator to see what it would look like.
I think that's a good idea.
Blue Orbeez.
Yay!
Let me.
I know. I'm just opening it. I don't really want blue Orbeez because they'll just fall out and make a mess. Okay, that's enough.
All right, time for the big stir.
Stir. Oh,
These are what they're looking like.
mine just looks like a shaving cream blob.
It does.
Can I add more glue?
Liv, you can't.
Big reveal.
3, 2, 1.
For Kai's looks a lot like ranch
Ranch.
dressing. Glitter
And it's
sparkles.
so soft.
Look at Livy's is nice and messy, and she says it feels so cool with the Orbeez. And we have Oakley's.
I feel like I need more activator. But
Hers is super pink. It looks like frosting.
who thinks I need more activator?
Mine is really sticky.
I'm gonna add a little bit
All
more
right,
activator.
and that is today's slime video.
Can I add more?